Welcome back to another video, people. Episode 2 on Baguette 6.9. We're going to get this intake off here today and get this sanded up, brushed up, painted. Let's go.
First, I'm going to get this gearbox off and get this engine on the stand. This is 5 times speed. It didn't take me long, but it certainly wasn't a 3-minute job. Next on the agenda, we'll get these gearbox bolts out, we'll get the starter motor off, and then we can separate this gearbox. For all the OGs that have watched some of our old videos, you'll know that John put a 14-pound clutch in this, so we're going to put an OEM bad boy back in. What an absolute numpty. I thought I was recording as I took the clutch and flywheel off, but clearly not. Now that we've got the engine on the stand, John's going to start getting these pulleys off so that we can strip the intake off. Cover up all the holes with tape, pressure washer it and degrease it, and then we're going to get the block painted. More than likely that'll be the next episode. Probably worth investing in an AC delete kit here. Also, if anyone knows, can we run a 197 electric power steering column on the Mark II? Then we can get rid of this power steering pump. Last question, I promise. Has anyone run 197 cams, and if so, what are the benefits? Hit us up in the comments. Next job, need to get this exhaust off. There's no point in filming this, so I'll be back in a minute.
A few moments later.
As you just seen, I've got the exhaust out. While I was under there, I unbolted the bottom of the seats and even took the harnesses out. Now I'm going to get it loaded up, take it back round to John's and clear the garage, ready for the black one to come back. Before anyone says it, I know I'm loading it all backwards, but there's no engine in it, and I'm only going round the corner. This is not my trailer, I borrowed it off my mate. Shout out mate. Hadn't swapped the plate over yet. Right, we're going for the 45-degree crosshatch.
You ready?
Ready when you are.
That's it.
I have to wrinkle paint the whole floor now. I think she's good, mate.
We've got everything covered.
You'll see it get one bit and then spread.
It looks absolutely mint.
You'll see in a minute, you'll get like a little dry spot. Spread out.
Absolutely mint.
Because you'll see the gloss go out of it.
Yeah. I like the gloss look.
There you go. Can you see that bit there?
Yeah, yeah.
Watch. You can see it now.
Yeah.
Look at that. As the heat gets into the metal underneath.
We'll see it now reacting. On the camera it looks like it's taking the paint off. Looks like it's going back to silver, but it's just drying out. Who wants to watch a video on how to watch paint dry?
Better than watching us see valleys. It's like a cheat code wrinkle paint.
Yeah. Mega.
It doesn't actually say on the instructions to use a heat gun, but I saw a guy on YouTube.
Well, it's only going to do is speed the process up of what's going to happen when you fire the car up, innit?
Yeah, also leave it obviously to cure, but it'll cure anyway. But this is why it's so important not to mix up the directions, because you start getting inconsistency there in it.
All in the back box there, Matty.
And look at that.
$10.10.
So we'll go over this with the freehand disc.
Yeah. Just take the top off, make it silver again. On to the technical bit.
Get that on there, John. Give it a little pose. How made up are you with that?
Well and truly. That will do.
Shamon.
The first of many, baby. As always, thank you for watching. Got another one coming very soon. Doing all of this. So, if you're interested in seeing all of this, don't forget, tell your mum, tell your dad,